Good morning, good morning. So today is day 3, post-op, and I feel really good. Yesterday I was in so much pain, not even just from the tummy tuck. It was like tummy tuck pain is a breeze. Muscle repair is kind of intense, but the gas pain, oh my god, I didn't even know that you used muscles really. Look at this, I tried to do my hair to pass gas. So I just had a stomach full of gas from my husband that ordered fried chicken, so I had some of that. Not a lot, but just like a piece just to take my medicine and stuff, because I don't really have an appetite. I think because of the garment is tight, so I don't really have an appetite, but I would eat like a piece of chicken or something just to so I could take my medicine. But it gave me so much gas yesterday, and then not being able to pass it, and my stomach just felt like it would pop, and I could feel the gas moving around, and it was so uncomfortable, like I actually was getting agitated, irritable because of how much pain I was in. I had ordered from Instacart somebody to go to CVS and get some Gas X. That still wouldn't help. Yeah, but finally I was able to start getting rid of the gas about 9 o'clock last night. And then this morning I had an Ensure drink, just something so I could take my medicine in the middle of the night. And I instantly got a little bit of gas, but it wasn't nowhere near as bad as yesterday's gas. So I have gone down the steps, I used the bathroom, I washed up and everything because I can't take a shower until the drains are out. But I managed to wash up. I'm doing all of my own care. Went downstairs and fixed my coffee, walked outside to check on my trees, my kumquat tree that's growing and my lemon tree, because I haven't seen them in a couple days. And yeah, just walked around for a little bit, and I'm just getting back into bed. So I'm gonna drink my coffee, sit up for a few minutes and drink my coffee, and then I'm gonna sit back on my wedges that I bought. I have the wedge pillows. I have one here and then one for my feet, but I still have 2 pillows, and just one at my head. My fluid is pink, kind of. I know it kind of looks red, but it's more of it's turning like a clearish pink. So it's more clear fluid going in it. I'm swollen, but your girl is definitely snatched. Look at that. But I'm definitely swollen. Let's see from the side. Swollen, but the doctor lipoed my sides and my stomach and everything. Muscle repair. And tucked me real tight. So that's what I look like. This is all the fluid I collected from some point last night. So yeah, I'm not doing a whole bunch of fluid, which is good. I'm hoping that I go to my pre-op Monday, but I'm hoping that when they call me on Wednesday to see what my numbers that I'm writing down for my fluid, that they'll give me a date, like maybe for Friday or something, to come and pull my drains out. Because once I do that, then I can get in the shower. Other than that, it's just, you know, sponge bathing. Can't really do anything else besides wash up until the drains come out, so that you don't have a risk of infection. But that's it. So this is day 3, post-op, tummy tuck, muscle repair, and lipo.